Somebody escaped with my bits. Actually, I did lose a very handy bilateral socket adapter.
Wow, Rev. I had no idea. Sorry for dragging you into this. We'll take it from here.
Thank you, Ty. Be careful.
Well, we're on about day 4-ish, technically. It's been about 2 weeks since we were last here. We've had Christmas, we've had New Year, but now we're hitting it hard. This is the progress so far.
Representing, man.
Stop trying to squeeze one out.
We're in this big room today. I'm gonna get all this wallpaper off. I glossed this on this window yesterday. And did all out in this hallway. It's starting to look alright in the living areas. Kitchen, not so much. Crosswork all done. Skirts all done. Ceiling done. The coving's done. Doors are done. Radiator's done. I'd say this room is done, baby. Next up, we're going to be taking care of the bathroom. So this is the next thing to sort. We're going to be cladding these walls. We're going to be 100% changing this switch and changing this pendant and changing that toilet and changing this bath and all the taps and etc. So we'll be getting on with that next week.